everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is a dip, so it could be used as, Taco Tuesday if you need to. But it is a pulled pork dip. So yummy. So definitely check this out. I think you guys will enjoy it. It's really easy. My mom did it in the Instapot, so just take a look at the video. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog out.
Hi everyone, happy Monday. As Yoda said, we're making a pulled pork dip, which you could use on a Monday, but you could also use it for Taco Tuesday since it's a dip. So we're using our Instapot. The recipe calls for using the oven at 350 for like 25 to 30 minutes, but I feel like the Instapot on slow cook is on high is the same difference. So the pork is already cooked, and I'll show you what we're using in a second. I'm just stirring it up so I can put the lid on. But we have our Instapot on slow cook. We did high temperature for an hour. So let me show you what all's in here. Put the lid on. Now remember, when you slow cook in your Instapot, you need it on venting. So slow cook, we had it for an hour on high. So make sure you adjust your temperature before you put in the time. All right, so venting. But basically what we're gonna do, or what we did, was we used Sam's Club. They sell a 2-pound package of already cooked, slow smoked pulled pork, and then you just put your own favorite barbecue sauce with it. So that is what we're doing. So this is already cooked. They give you 2 pounds, so I used half of it. The other half I'm saving for something else because it calls for 2 cups of pulled pork. So that's roughly half of this, or a pound. So then you need to put in 8 ounces of cream cheese. Since I'm allergic to dairy, we're using the Daiya plant-based cream cheese. And then it asks you to use sour cream. So I use Daisy because there is no ingredient but sour cream in Daisy. There's no milk. So since I'm allergic to dairy, I can't have a sour cream, which is like every other brand that has milk in it. So Daisy sour cream, 1/4 cup of that is in there. Then we were supposed to use chives, but I realized I don't have any more. So I didn't use green onion. I used a couple of tablespoons of dried minced onion. And then it says 1.5 cups of cheddar cheese. Again, allergic to dairy. So we're using this one I got at Walmart. It's called Better Goods plant-based cheddar. So we used 1.5 cups of that. Then you use 1/4 cup of bottled ranch dressing. So we use Walden Farms because it's vegan, so there's no dairy or eggs in this. So 1/4 cup of that. And then finally, you need barbecue sauce. So this recipe calls for 3/4 cup. So we use Primal Kitchen unsweetened classic barbecue sauce. There is less than 1 gram of carb in that per serving. So this is keto for sure. And that's what's in here. We stirred it up as you saw, put the lid on it, again, venting because we're on slow cook, and then I'll show you the finished product. All right, it's been an hour on slow cook on high, and it is done. This is what it looks like, and I tasted it, and it's yummy. So this is our cheesy pulled pork dip, and we're gonna eat ours over pork rinds. So use yours however you like. Enjoy. Happy Monday.